Hey guys, I'm Adam from the website and YouTube channel Lazy Guy DIY, and one thing that people always think about when upgrading their kitchen is appliances. But what they should be thinking about is the kitchen sink. That is the workhorse of the kitchen. That's why I'm excited to check out for our upgrade the Glacier Bay all-in-one undermount stainless steel 27-inch single bowl workstation sink that comes with a faucet and accessories. Now, I may not be a professional chef. I make a lot of dino nuggies and grilled cheeses and an occasional Taco Tuesday in our galley, but I can appreciate a professional sink. So I'm ready to check this thing out and see what the features are. Measuring 27 inches by 19 inches with a 10-inch deep basin, the extra large bowl area is generously sized for the aftermath of your next culinary creation. It's made with heavy gauge stainless steel and insulated with heavy duty sound guard undercoating and has thick rubber padding to minimize noise and reduce condensation. The sink itself comes with a single tier track for sliding the built-in accessories that converts this bowl into a workstation. With the included bamboo cutting board, deep stainless steel colander, and dish drying roll-up rack, this sink turns meal prep and cleanup into a one-stop shop. The kit also includes a stainless steel and lead-free pull-down kitchen faucet with 360-degree rotation spout, a dual-function spray head, and 90 degrees single-handle operation. This easy-to-clean basin comes with slope-bottom grooves for complete water drainage and a standard 3.5-inch drain opening that will fit any garbage disposal. So while I may not be going to culinary school to earn my chef's hat, I will be able to pick up this sink at the Home Depot.